Now if I tap on light 1, you can see it turned on, light 2, light 3, light 4. You can see it is working, right? Hi guys, this is Mirohan. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. And I know it's been 7 months since I have posted my last video. I owe apologies to you guys, but I am promising you we're gonna post video at least one video a week. Okay, I am stating this over here, so believe on me, guys. There was some of the things that due to which I wasn't able to post my videos actually. So well, but since I am stating this, please believe on me. Yeah, you won't gonna get such kind of delay again. So now let's talk about the today's project. You have seen what gonna happen, and let's get to what we are actually here for. So let's build it. Before moving ahead, I want to say thank you to all guys, because due to you only we were able to reach the 5k subscribers. Thanks for that, and I appreciate that. Thanks for your support guys. Make this support, and we'll soon make more subscribers. So now let's see what are the components required. Now I'm not gonna make any delay. So let's bring all the component one by one. So the first component is the ESP32 S3 Box, which is the main controller. Why I am using this? Because a lot of guys make a very few people made a video on this, and I wanted to become one of them. And apart from that, we are using jumper wires, and of course the 4-channel relay module. That is not the reason guys we are using this. So the reason behind that is it has touch screen, Wi-Fi, speaker, and enough processing power to handle and control all the interfaces and stuffs. Okay, and that's generally it guys. Like the touch screen on the ESP Box 3 replaces your entire physical switch panel if you want. And quick question for you, like what are you planning to control with this? Lights, fan, or something else? Drop it below. Curious what you are building. Okay, now let's do the wiring, and let me show you how to do the wiring. Okay. Alright, we have made the connections. Okay, so don't be scared that what pins are connected. I have already provided the connection to the description. You can check that. Okay, so now let's see the programming part and how to do the programming and all the stuff. Okay, so let's switch to our desktop. Let's talk about the sponsor of this video, JLCPCB Flex Heater. They provide easy, affordable, and customizable flexing heating solution that makers and engineers love. Upload your design specs on the website to get an instant quote. Pricing is very affordable. Custom flex heater start from just few dollars, and their PI and silicon heaters use 3M adhesive for easy installation. No screws, no fluid, just peel and stick. There are also application ideas for DIY projects, heating up pads. And to be honest guys, JLCPCB provides good quality and reliability products. If you have seen my previous video, you know we have made one of the project, and in that we have used the JLCPCB, and their quality was OG. Like still I have one on my hand, like you can see the quality, and you can blindly trust on that. So yeah, let's continue on our video. Let's see the code section of this project. All right, so I am on my computer screen, as you can see over here. Okay, so let's see what we have used over here. So first of all, we have used the Lovian GFX library for making the interface. Okay, then we have included the Arduino library, and so ESP Box 3 uses this graphics library to draw buttons on the screen. Okay, we are keeping it simple, like 4 buttons, one for each relay channel, and each button does 2 things. It sends the signal to turn the relay on and off, and it changes the color from gray to green. Green means on, and of course gray means off. Okay, so it won't be no guessing whether the fan is already running or your light is running. This tells you instantly. Okay, and this is how the thing works. So when you tap on the screen, the ESP32 detects that touch event and flips the matching GPIO and turn it high or low depending on your relay type. Okay, then the relay clicks and your appliance got turned on and off. So now it's time to show you a quick demo so that you can get it in its So here we have our complete setup. You can see we have the relay module and of course our ESP32 S3 Box 3. Now if I tap on light 1, you can see it turned on, light 2, light 3, light 4. You can see it is working, right? You can see when I am pressing it, it turns to green, and if I press it again, it becomes gray. So you can have the visual check whether your light is on or not, or your appliance is on or not. So yeah, that was it. I hope you love this project. Okay, so there are a lot of upgrades that you can do. You can even add sensors and scheduling stuffs. So for that you need to subscribe to our channel. We're gonna post those kind of videos very soon with new ideas. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you can get the updates on time. Okay, instead of getting a burden of finding it on your feet, right? It will be better to have a notification on so that you can get the updates whenever we post our new video or anything. Okay, so that's all my side. Don't forget to check out the JLCPCB heat flexes. Okay, that was me, Rohan, signing off.